Okay, here we go. Just had the electrician left. Hooked up my generator for the house, which we've waited 2 years to hook that up. And it's a long story, don't even ask. Here's the lift. Oh, ready to go. So, let's hear it. I know people like to have them, they set them off so they can hear the double click. But I just looked at mine as it was going up, and they're both, when it clicks, they're both going in perfectly. So here we go. There we go. Oh, I can't do this with two hands. Just to go down, you gotta. I don't know if you can see that. Sorry about that. I can't, you need two hands to do it because you gotta have one hand to pull down keep the mechanical lock off, and the other hand to lower it. So anyway, this saga is over. 2 weeks doing it myself. Ugh. Never again. Pay an installer 100%. Why would you do it yourself? Sheesh. Giant pain in the butt, and I almost died doing it. So, okay. I may add something later as a finishing touch, but as it is right now, I just wanted to show you it fixed. Now I gotta put up everything that I took off the shelves and this mess. I gotta put it all back. So, I don't know. I think I'll take another video when everything's all cleaned up. Yeah, there's some. Okay. Holy cow, man. Okay, so it's up. But here's the deal. I lifted it as high as I could with this engine hoist, which is, I'm like 5'9", so that's like 6'5" or something right there, or maybe 7 feet. I'm not gonna have a heart attack. So I was just testing, because I had this hooked I had that hooked on just a flat piece of metal at the very top, right here. I don't know if you can even see that. A little piece of metal at the top. And let me get this set up. So I don't have to hold it. So, and I was just with my son because I was like, okay, I'm ready, you can help me. Like, I've seen guys lift these. Maybe they weren't this tall, but I saw them lift them together. I think that was only a 10-foot column. I don't know. So I thought, no problem. I even thought I could probably do it myself because I'm pretty strong. And two guys doing it, even though they're skinny, they were like skinny dudes. So I said, hey, just let me see. So I got under it, and I got it, and I was like, oh, okay. And so it came off the chain. So now there's nothing holding it, and I'm under it. So I started to push it up, and then I got my son, come help. We gotta get this, now we have to get it up. We can't, there's nothing we can do. So, and that was a total struggle. We got it up, but man, seriously, we could have been seriously injured, seriously hurt. It was seriously stupid. But I didn't think it was gonna go unhooked like that. So, if you're thinking of doing it like that, at least this Launch Tech 11K, the 11,000 pound lift, I mean, you can see how tall it is. That thing is 14 feet tall. And it's solid, man, that's just solid steel. And even though all the weight is at the bottom, I don't know. I don't know why, but it was freaking heavy. And I'm like, just for like I squat over 400 pounds and I can military press over 200 pounds. You know, at one time it was 315, you know, and that was hard.